Alright, I know it's been a minute, but welcome back. And you hear a lot of noise in the background right now, and I'm gonna show you why. If you guys saw the last video, you would have seen that this Audi is on the channel for right now. It doesn't belong to me at the moment, but we got the Tucson in the garage. The Stinger is outside because, as you know, I like to play musical cars on this channel, even though it's not very fun, but it is what it is. And once again, your eyes are not deceiving you. There is a red Acura TL Type S sitting here in my driveway. If you guys have seen previous videos, you would know exactly whose car this is. It does look a little bit different from last time you saw it. And I'm not really gonna put the man's business out there, but things happen. But anyways, it is back. It's gonna be on the channel for a little bit, but I got videos I gotta shoot with that car. That's gonna be another day. Today, we're focusing on the Audi. If you remember in the last video, you kind of saw some discoloration, you know, in the headlights and the hood. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna give it a quick little wash, and we're gonna see if we can bring this hood back to life. As you see, there's already a little spot that's been kind of started on already. My mechanic gave me a good recommendation to remove oxidation from the hood. So you see the paint is still there, but there's a lot of oxidation, so that's what I'm gonna try and get rid of today, and also do a little bit of work to those headlights. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Jonathan. I'm the main host of this channel, Brother Reviews. And everything that happens on this channel is all car related. So whether it's car meets, car shows, car reviews, car vlogs, DIYs, anything car related happens on this channel. So if you guys like that, you're in the right place. And for anybody else that has not been subscribed, please do so. Like, comment, subscribe. Greatly would appreciate everybody. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know what's coming out and when it's coming out. I do shorts and I do videos as much as I can. It's been a little slow lately, but hey, life is life. I'm a full-time worker, full-time partner, so I get time to do what I do when I can. So with that being said, I'm gonna set the camera down here to play another game of musical chairs. I gotta get the Tucson out of here. I gotta get the Stinger moved. I gotta get the TL moved so I can have pretty much as much space possible to do the cleaning on the Audi. So here we go, musical chairs once again. All right, now we got the cars moved out of the way. We got the Audi outside. Pretty much not really too dirty, but got to give it a good wash so I can make sure the hood is nice and clean to do the work that needs to be done. It is a little bit dirty, but nothing too crazy. Definitely I can just pressure wash off real good and give it a good nice hand wash. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. Obviously, a lot of this is from the tropical storm Nicole, which we just had a couple weeks ago, which thankfully no damage this time. I mean, I know this is always 2 weeks ago, but if you guys have seen the short that I put up, we didn't have any flooding this time. No wind damage, nothing like that. So pretty much everything here was good. Maybe a couple signs knocked down, some branches off the tree, but nothing severe, no flooding, no roof damage, thankfully. So we worked out good this time. I know you guys see the plate from my old TL on the back of the car, the Williams plate, but once again, don't be fooled. Obviously, I've been driving this car around, so I had to kind of somewhat legitimize it just so I don't get in trouble with it. And of course, if I park it on the street, obviously the HOA and the city needs to see that there's a plate on it and doesn't look abandoned, because I've had that problem before. Previous cars I've had them not registered, so at least it's on there and they don't give me hassle about it. It's not they're gonna run plates and see, oh look, that's registered to an Acura, this is an Audi. Like, nobody cares. They just see that it's registered and whatnot, so whatever. So the kit we're gonna be using today is Meguiar's Marine and RV Fiberglass Restoration System. Removes oxidation, eliminates scratches, stains, and water spots, restores color while adding gloss and shine, provides a durable, long-lasting protection. So like I said, we kind of did start it here. This is some dirt that collected back onto it, but we'll get that off here in just a minute. But you can kind of see that, you know, it is bringing back the color. I definitely got to do the rest of the hood, but that's what we're going to be doing today. So stay tuned if you guys want to see this, and I hope you enjoy. car is nice and clean. I know the camera doesn't really show it, but it's already starting to get dark outside, so we're gonna go and move the car into the garage. We'll have a whole bunch of light pods above here, so I can do a work in a nice lit environment. Look at those. So yeah, we're gonna bring the car in, and I'll show you the little process of how to get rid of this oxidation the best as we can. All right, fast forward a couple hours. We're in the garage now with the Audi. So you got all the lighting set up, almost clear as day in here. So I got the restoration kit open, so here's what we get inside of it. So we have the pure wax. Oops, snap. So we got the pure wax, we got the high gloss polish, and then we got the oxidation remover. So you got 3 bottles. Let me try and set them up over here so you guys can see them a lot better. So you have three bottles in the kit. So the instructions on the back of the order of what this needs to be done. So you can start with the oxidation remover, which is this guy right here. Then you're gonna go with the polish, which is this one. And then the pure wax, which is this one right here. So it's in order. So we'll start with the oxidation remover. So it's always best to kind of do it like one area at a time. So I'm gonna take this microfiber buffing pad here. And I'm gonna just kind of continue this front section right here where my mechanic started. All right, so let's start with the oxidation remover. So I'm gonna spread a little. Yep, I figured. Shake it up, take up the little cap inside of it. Get to work. All right, so far it's looking good. You can definitely see where I've been doing my circular motions with the oxidation remover. I think honestly, I'm gonna get my buffer and do the rest of this because it's a pretty large area and I don't want to be here all night doing. Unfortunately, my phone ran out of memory, so I didn't realize that until I went to stop the camera and realized it stopped for me because we're out of space. But anyways, this is where I'm at so far with the buffer. About halfway or so done. It's looking better so far, but I'm just applying the oxidation remover for right now. So I'll do the whole hood with this and the buffer obviously, and then we'll move on to the high gloss polish and then the wax. Okay, it's we're getting somewhere. Definitely need some more work, but you can see we got a good deal of it gone. Still a little more down here. So we'll do another pass over with the oxidation remover. And then we're gonna switch to the polish. But so far it's looking considerably better. All right, so we're pretty much done with the oxidation stage. I mean, there's still a little bit of residual left, but a lot of that should come off with the polish. And of course, we'll hit it with the wax afterwards, but it's looking a lot better than it was, that's for sure. All right, I went and got myself a little drink break here. This is Brazilian lemonade. It's absolutely delicious. If you never had that before, you are losing. So good. Not good for you, there's a lot of sugar in it, but it's good. It tastes good. Anyway, so now we're done with the oxidation remover. Now we're gonna move on to the next step, which is the high gloss polish. So pretty much same thing, and spread it across the hood. You know, spread it all evenly with the buffer, and then of course we'll do that a couple times over. Make sure we get as much residual off as possible. And then of course we'll finish it off with the pure wax. Okay, so my arm arm is a little bit sore because I've been doing some of this by hand instead of just a buffer, but we pretty much are almost at the ending point. I mean, all of these lights are kind of showing a little too much imperfection, but just give you an idea that there is a much cleaner finish now than there was when I started. So we're done with the oxidation part of it. We're done with the polish. Now it's time to hit it with the wax. Same procedure as the other two solutions we used. Check it out. Take off the protection cap inside, set that aside. Let's get to work. All right, so say about 2.5 hours or so, and all 3 bottles now being used to do the job. We are completed. Of course, you know, pictures and videos never do justice, but you saw how the hood looked in the beginning of the video, and you see it now. It's all, oh yeah, it's a nice shine right there. It's color matched, no more oxidation. It's a nice rich pearl black paint. I don't know if it's pearl or metallic. I want to say it's pearl. It sees a little pearl flakes in it. But I'll wait till I see it under the daylight tomorrow. I mean, of course, there's gonna be a couple little spots I'm gonna miss. That's to be expected, especially with, you know, us not being perfectionists. But definitely a lot better. Well, I hope this video was as helpful to you as doing this procedure was helpful to me. And if you guys enjoyed, please, I would appreciate you give me a like, give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you guys are new. Share the video with your friends or family if they have any detailing tips. I mean, I'm not a professional detailer, but I kind of know what I need to do, and of course, I learned a lot by doing it myself. So I'm pretty impressed with the work. I'm pretty impressed for being a unprofessional detailer. But anyway, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys very much for checking this out, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Stay blessed.